Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Phantom Wallet. First, you will need to install the Phantom Wallet browser extension. It's available for popular browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. Once installed, create a new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. Remember to store your 24-word secret phrase in a very safe, offline location. This phrase is the only way to recover your funds if you lose access to your device. Now that your wallet is set up, let's add some funds. To receive crypto, click the Receive button in your Phantom Wallet. This will display your unique public wallet address. You can then send Solana or other compatible tokens from a cryptocurrency exchange or another wallet to this address. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction to ensure your funds arrive safely. Sending and receiving crypto with Phantom is straightforward. To send, select the token you wish to transfer, enter the recipient's wallet address, and specify the amount. Review all the transaction details, including the small network fee, before confirming. To receive, simply provide your public Phantom Wallet address to the sender. Always verify the address carefully to prevent any loss of funds during transfers. Phantom Wallet also allows you to easily connect to a vast ecosystem of decentralized applications on the Solana network. Just click Connect Wallet on the D app and approve the connection in Phantom. For security, your 24-word secret recovery phrase is paramount. Never share it. Be vigilant against phishing attempts and always ensure you are on the official website before connecting your wallet or approving transactions. Your security is your responsibility.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.